guys, Kitty want a treat. So she has to earn his treat. Sit down, Boboy. Sit down. Okay, sit. Sit. Kitty, sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Alright, let's play. Sit. Kitty. Stay. Sit. Sit. Stay. And sit. Good boy. Kitty wants a treat. So we will play a game. He has to put his paw, whatever the treat is. Okay? Okay. He always want to put on my right hand, and he think that there's a treat, but I'm gonna put on the left. Right? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Kitty, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where? Look, smart Kitty sniffing it. Kitty, go. Where? Put your paw on it. Where's the treat? Oh, good job. Good job. And I'm gonna change and I'm gonna move it to my right hand. Okay? Right hand, I'm gonna wipe because she's gonna smell it. Kid is smart. He knows where the treat because he smell it. But I'm gonna wipe it off. Alright, boy. Mommy's treat is where? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Find it, kitty mo. No, you're wrong. No treat for kitty. Mom, what the? You sneaky butt. Here. Good job. Now we're gonna change it again to this. My left hand and my right hand is empty. See, empty. No. Okay. Wait. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Where'd it go? Where? Where'd it go? You want a treat? Where'd it go? No, you're wrong. No treat for kitty. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Boom. Bim. Where? Oh, good job. Kitty, you're smart. Aren't you smart, boo boy? Here you go. She get a treat. Now that's enough.